I want to pledge my personal commitment and involvement in this project. I am going to work on this. The principal came to my office last week. She met me and we had a good conversation. And principal, I want to assure you in public here that you will not walk this journey alone, we will walk together. I know that now, because we are facing elections, the IBC has warned us that we cannot conduct Harambes lest we risk being disqualified from running for public office. Lakini tutatafuta namna na tutajipanga. You will not walk alone. We will walk with you to ensure that this facility is complete. And since we have agreed that we are going to be partners, I like working hard. I work hard on my assignments. I want us to complete it within the 2 years that you have said we will complete it. By the grace of God, we will prayerfully make the sacrifices that we have to ensure that we give our children this beautiful facility that we are seeing here. We are working at the Girls to ensure that we improve it. We are working on the other side at Jokindo. When I leave here, I'm going to Rio Oga, where I got the contractor who was working at Mango High School to come and do a mega dormitory at Rio Oga Secondary School that can accommodate 1,000 kids, and so on. Did the water. This is the work that is cut out for us by the Lord, and is work that I would like us to do, all of us, to support our children and support our people. Because nothing will matter more than giving our people an opportunity and giving our children an opportunity through education. So I'm going to continue to do this, and this is where I would like to spend most of my focus when it comes to development, enhancing the capacity of our schools, supporting my colleagues, the principals who are running the schools, so that life can be bearable.